Good evening, ma'am. I am Diana Criscana and I will be your nurse today. And today, ma'am, I will be assessing your abdomen, and for able to do that, I will ask you to expose your abdomen and touch it. So, is that okay with you, ma'am? Okay, thank you. So, before we start, ma'am, for verification, what is your name? So, before we start sa procedure, ma'am, I will ask you some questions about your history. So, before the mag-start, ma'am, I will perform a hand hygiene. And I will close the curtain po for your privacy. And now, we will do the inspection. And for the inspection, we will inspect the abdomen for skin integrity. And second, we will inspect the abdomen for contour and symmetry. Can you hold your breath, ma'am? Okay, thank you. And second, for the assessment, we will do the auscultation. We will auscultate the abdomen for bowel sounds, vascular sounds, and peritoneal friction rubs. Ano sa yung last na kaon, ma'am? Kanina. And now, we will do the vascular sounds. We will use the bell of the stethoscope for the aorta, renal arteries, iliac arteries, and femoral arteries to listen the bruits. And now, we will do the peritoneal friction rubs. Thank you. And now, we will do the percussion. for the third assessment, we will do the palpation. We will perform light palpation first to detect areas of tenderness and or muscle guarding. So, as I observed, ma'am, during assessment, the findings is all normal, the skin and contour. So, thank you.